Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best lamp finials that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Crystal Lamp Finial with gold base. Upgrade your lamps with this 2-piece set of diamond-textured crystal lamp finials. Each finial features a polished chrome base with a gold accent, adding an elegant and modern touch to your decor. Measuring 1-3-4 inches tall and easy to install without tools, these finials are suitable for various lamps, such as table lamps, floor lamps, pendant lamps, and wall lamps. They can also be used to decorate different spaces, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and study rooms. Moving on, at number 4, we have the PATIKIL 17.5mm brass lamp finials. The PATIKIL brass lamp finials are a stylish addition to your lighting fixtures. Made from durable brass, these finials measure 17.5mm in diameter and 15mm in height, making them a perfect fit for various lampshades. Their screw thread design allows for easy installation and removal without any tools, saving you time and effort. The dual-threaded design ensures compatibility with standard lamp harps and shades, making them versatile for different projects. With a smooth brass finish, they not only serve a functional purpose, but also enhance the overall aesthetic of your furniture and lamps. At number 3, we have the 8-pieces lamp finial knob lamp accessories. This set of 8 lamp finials are made of plated steel with a 1-2 inch height and 1-4-27 threading to fit most standard lamp harp tops. Available in gold, silver, black, and bronze, these finials are easy to use and require no additional tools. They are suitable for most desk and floor lamps and add a touch of character to your living space. The simple and retro design makes it a great gift choice for any occasion. At number 2, we have the Yoeuikaoh brass lamp finials. The Yoeuikaoh lamp finials are a perfect addition to your lamps, measuring 1-2 inch tall with a 1-4-27 inch thread. They fit securely onto any standard lamp harp, allowing for easy installation. Without any tools, just screw them on. These sturdy finials not only enhance the look of your vintage or modern lamps, but also ensure that your lampshade remains stable and secure. The antique gold finish adds a touch of elegance, making them a versatile choice for various decor styles in your home. And finally, at number 1, we have the Yoeuikaoh Double Dragonflies lamp finial. The Yoeuikaoh Dragonflies? Finial is a stylish addition to your lamp collection. You'll receive 2 finials, ensuring you have enough for your table or floor lamp. The finials are made from high-quality alloy, providing durability and a longer lifespan. Their antique bronze finish adds a touch of elegance and retro charm to your home decor. With a size that fits most lamps, these finials are perfect for enhancing the atmosphere of your bedroom, living room, or study. Transform your lamps into stunning focal points with this unique decorative touch. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.